Good morning, YouTube. This is Joanne. I'm coming to you early today because I want to talk about how I have my hair grow like crazy like this. I know I look crazy right now, but I want your hair to grow too. So, that being said, I'm gonna tell you right now that when you have hair like this, you gotta make sure you moisturize your hair. Keep it moisturized. I would say once a day is good. Because if you don't do that, it's going to break off. So, I just want to say right now, I want you to know that I appreciate you coming to my channel and learning about what I have to talk about today. And today I want to talk about hair. I want to talk about a hair tutorial. When I first started my hair, I was bald headed. I had no hair. Now, I got all this, but I'm going to show you what I do. This is what I do. Baby, close up. This is what I do. Um, let me see. This is what I use. This is right here. This is good. It costs $1. You hear me? $1. This is good. So this is what I do. You gotta always keep your hair moist. So this is what I do. Put that oil in my hair. Massage my hair real good. Right? And this, I got something else. See how nice? Look at that. Look at that. Nice hair. I had nothing. Listen, I had no hair. Now look at all of this. Got all of this. This is what else I use. This is really good. These products is not expensive at all. Got this from Amazon, right? It's called black castor oil hair food. Can you see it? Black castor oil hair food. So this is what I do. Take it. That's what it looks like. See? This is what I do. Put that up in there. Part it. Put that here. I'll part it. Right? This is to moisturize. Keep the scalp moisturized. You gotta keep your scalp. If you want your hair to grow, you gotta keep your scalp and like that. I love this stuff. This stuff is so good. Do you hear me? It's good. So when you're here, make sure it's nice and thoroughly in everything. Massage it, right? A little more. Use a little more of this, right? Put it in your hair. Make sure your hair is nice and moisturized. That's the key. Always keep your hair moisturized. Do you see? Look. I'll show you. You see how nice it looks? Look at that. Nice. Soft hair. Look at that. The back. Don't forget the back. Don't forget your back either. And make sure your hair is moisturized, girl. Take care of your hair, okay? What? Take care of that hair, girl. Take care of it. Dude, too. You want your hair to grow? You want your hair to grow? You want your hair to grow? Look at that. What? Stop playing with me, yo. What? That stuff dead? This is what I do. I comb it through. Comb it good, girl. My hair is never, look, my hair is natural. I had a perm. I used to get the perm. What I need that for? Got the best natural hair. What? Look how nice it is coming together. Look at that. Look at that. What? Look how nice. This is what you do. I do it maybe twice a day. I put that stuff in my hair twice a day. No perms, nothing. All natural. Look at that. All natural. Natural hair. Natural. Make sure you comb it through. And just, style it any way you want. Whatever you want to do. Whichever way you want. But you got to make sure you comb it. Make sure you comb your hair so everything can go together. All the oils. Girl, look at me. I had no hair. I'm so serious. I cut my hair short. Because the perm, I used to relax my hair a lot. And the perm, when I used to use the perm, it started making my hair thin. So I'm thinking, oh, so if it's making my hair thin, what do I need it for? This is what I do. I don't put, look, this is all natural, girl. All natural. Put these big old pretty things in my hair. Plait my hair. But how I do me. And, funny. This is how my hair grow. I grow my hair like this. And it's growing so nice, yo. I'm so serious. It's growing so nice. Like this. Like that. Make sure all your oils is in. Make sure your hair is braided nice. And you can start the day. Just do it like that. Make sure you comb your hair real good. So everything you put in it, it goes in the scalp. Right? Then, make sure you comb it really well. Comb your hair good. Do a nice good brushing. I don't like brushes. But if you want to use a brush to brush your hair, hey, do it, girl. Take care of your hair. Tell you, because you only get one. Look at that. So soft. My hair is so freaking soft right now. Seriously. But this is how I do my hair. Put it like that. Get that. What? Comb it back. Comb it real good. Make a big part. I know you can't see the back, but I'm just gonna show you how I do it. I don't like to keep my hair out. I like to keep it moisturized and braided. That's how I do my hair. Moisturize and braided. See? Look at that. Right there, girl. What? Take care of that hair, girl. Because my hair is very dry. And I know your hair probably get dry like mine's. So that's how you keep your hair moist. Keep your hair moist, girl. Take care of your hair. I know it's not the best, but you know what? It's alright. Because when I go out, look at all of that hair. When I go out, my hair is moisturized, sharp, it's looking all good, look healthy. That's the main thing. Your hair has to look, you gotta look healthy. Take care of your body, I take care of your hair too. Your hair is important. Why not? Take care of yourself, girl. Take care of your hair. All I ask is that you like more videos like this, how to moisturize your hair. Like and comment in the bottom. Let me know what you like. This is how I do my hair. Keep it together. Keep it moisturized. Like that. See? See, like that. Keep it nice, girl. Keep your hair neat. Always keep your hair neat. Because your hair needs love too. It need hair love. It need love too. Why not? Your hair need love. Take care of it. So that's what I do. So with that being said, I want to come back. Say it again. This is what I use for my hair. That's a moisturizer. And it's hair food. This is hair food. This is hair food, girl. Hair food. Use it. Get it from Amazon. Costs like, see it tag. Pay like $5 for this, but it's nice and thick. Look at that. Almost finished. Look at that. Nice and thick, girl. What? Put that there. I use a lot of stuff for my hair. I use that for to moisturize my hair. I'm gonna show you one more thing. I'm gonna show you. I got this from the dollar store. Paid $1. This is hair food. Oh my God, it smells so good. It's hair food. You go to the dollar store and it's hair food. Look for hair food. It's $1. It's good. That's how I keep my hair growing. So, if you like this video, awesome. Please like and subscribe. And I just wanted to say again, I want to thank you for coming to my channel. I want to thank you for coming to my channel. Really, really appreciate it. Okay, so now I'm going to sign out. Put a comment on the bottom. Let me know what you think. Let me know what the things that you use for your hair. So that maybe I could get it for me. One hand washes the other, right? So, I love you. You're so cool. Thank you for watching my channel. Enjoy the day.